Hello everyone and welcome to the last video for um, A- Ansible Navigator. Not the last video, but I mean the training course. I'm very happy that you've been with me throughout this journey and I hope that you've learned something. So the last thing I'm looking at is the settings. So the settings is just going to give us, as it said over here, review the current Ansible Navigator settings. So I'll just do that. As you can see, these are the current configuration settings for our Ansible Navigator. So this is quite different from the one that we saw earlier. So that one was for the core configuration. So this is basically for Ansible Navigator. And as you can see, I've disabled my container engine. And I think I told you in the previous videos that I don't actually use these container images, container engines, or let's say the execution environments to run my playbooks. I was running into issues, so I prefer normally to use the host itself as an engine to execute my playbook. So it's basically the same thing that we have over here. So we can just do cat Ansible navigator.yml. It's basically the same thing that we do here, but this gives you a better overview of it. And as you can see over here, so for example, container execution environment container is disabled. And as you can see, the execution environment is disabled, is false, and then a whole lot of them that you can just get yourself updated with. And there's nothing like inventory set. So you're going to define the inventory manually as I've already been doing. So you can just go around it, get to understand it. And if anything, just feel free to comment. And you can also check on the Ansible Navigator docs side to get more information about it. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for being through with me on this journey. Subsequently, I'll be uploading videos on how to get your hands on this Ansible Navigator, how to master it, and how to be a very good Ansible content creator. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.